The Daily Code Snippet. It is important to make your buttons and links accessible. When placing a link that will lead to your user being navigated away from the page, they need to know exactly what activating the link or button will do. So when creating your buttons and links, it is important to name them in a way that tells the user its function. So it is best to avoid labels like "click here," for example. It is also important to differentiate a link from a button. Buttons allow for user-triggered actions that can affect the front end or the back end of a website. Front-end actions affect a user's experience, while back-end actions are server-side functions. So a button action may request data, for example. Typically, we want to standardize the appearance of a button so that we enhance a user's recognition of it as a button. Links generally do not alter the function of a website in any way. While there are several WAI-ARIA attributes, several of which follow the syntax aria-blank, we will look at Aria Label and aria-labelledby. The Aria Label attribute provides a label that is recognizable name that describes an object. Here is an example. Button opening tag. Aria-label equals close in quotation marks. On click equals my dialog.close open parentheses, close parentheses in quotation marks. X button closing tag. We are using Aria Label in this example because the label text for the button is not visible on screen. In this case, the user only sees the letter X, which is understood to be close by sighted users. But the Aria label describes the action that will occur and reads out that action to someone using a screen reader. Button opening tag. Aria-labelledby equals submit in quotation marks. Type equals submit in quotation marks. Form action equals URL in quotation marks. Submit button closing tag. In a case where the text is visible, then you would use the attribute aria-labelledby instead. Presented by Designers Learn Code.